Welcome back sa ating channel at meron nga akong i-share sa inyo dahil may discount po tayo ng ating Decent. Yes guys, discounted po yung Decent natin, yung biometric wallet natin. So para sa mga new biometric wallet purchaser, meron po kayong wallet discount plus chance to win the $75 worth of airdrops. So, event period is December 10, 2025, January 14, 2026. And then guys, meron po tayong 1,000 winners will receive 10 different tokens. So, totaling of $75 in value. So, biometric wallet single po natin is 25% off. So, $159 to $119. So, biometric wallet po natin sa double pack po natin is 37% off. $318 to $199 guys. So, available po itong Decent natin starting from December 17, 2025. And then guys, for all the new and existing biometric wallet users, on a wallet and receive weekly airdrops. So December 17 po yung period date natin hanggang January 20 po guys ha. Sa mga existing po ito, sa existing biometric wallet users. Sa mga new beginnings po ng ating biometric wallet is December 10 nga po. So a new guest will open in the Decent app every week for a total of 5 weeks. And then guys, ang ating Decent, pwede po tayong makapurchase the wallet at discounted price and receive additional airdrops which can exceed the value of the wallet itself. So this year in combination of special pricing and airdrops offers the greatest benefit relative to wallet investment. And this year, and combination of specials, pricing, and airdrops offers the greatest benefit relative to wallet investment. And then current wallet users can also receive weekly airdrops for 5 consecutive weeks. And then this is not a one-time event ha. There are new airdrops opportunity every week for 5 weeks. And this is a first come first serve structure guys. Rewards are limited each week so early participation is key. Then guys, as the biggest event of this year, benefit will not return. So ito po yung largest promotion of the year. If you have been considering purchasing a wallet, this is the most advantageous timing. And then guys, no, the airdrop consists of 10 different tokens offering natural diversifications with multiple project tokens included. The airdrop experience becomes even more enjoyable. So ano po yung hinihintay nyo? So grab this opportunity na po sa mga buyers ng ating Decent. So this is a hard wallet po guys ha. So hindi po to basta-basta may mawawala yung mga crypto wallet nyo po dito guys. Dahil guys, secured po itong wallet po natin. At may double purpose po ito. Pwede po nating i-download sa ating application yung Decent Wallet app po natin. And then guys, i-connect nyo lang po ito sa inyong biometric wallet. So guys, sa mga crypto holder po dyan, pwede nyo pong gamitin itong ating Decent biometric wallet. At ito nga po yung shape niya guys. Tingnan nyo naman po. So, napakaganda ng ang shape ng ating Decent. So, ano pong hinihintay nyo? Mag-buy na kayo sa ating Decent. Nasa link po ng ating channel. So, thank you for watching guys and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for our latest video. Thank you and have a good day.